Ladies and gentlemen, our next category is Best Manufacturing Brand of the Year, Managing Director, Duramix, Shri Milan Mishra. Let's welcome Shri Milan Mishra, and may we request Pankaj sir and Kalinga sir to please do the honors.
Innovating and advancing the state of things had always been Mr. Milan Mishra's passion. With 12 years of experience in the ready-mix concrete sector and employment at well-known companies like Lafarge, RMC India, Novoco and RDC Concrete, he was familiar with the many opportunities and challenges encountered in the industry. It was not until he decided to found Duramix that he was able to fully realize his vision. Many congratulations to you, sir.